This clip is circulating all over social media, showing how the presiding officers in Uganda were taking ballot booklets for President Museveni in the western region of Uganda. Take a look.
Tiyo mshahara bakwiye zinga zo kwiza kwa nyombe bakiriya nano ni kurombo mugwanya nini mbe ucyande bakiriya.
That's how everything happened. Don't forget to like this video, share it with everyone, and subscribe to the channel for more updates about Uganda.